Hi guys and welcome back. Just want to do a quick update before the market closes. My Robinhood account is down 2%. Anyone else's account is down today, even though the Dow, the Nasdaq, they're up today. Sector rotation. The tech was being down for the last couple of months. Now they're up. Now the small cap stocks are down. And I have a lot of small cap stocks. But before I get into my positions, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page. Come check us out. We're just trying to build a small community. You'll be with like-minded people in there, talk about stocks, talk about how we can try to get better at trading and investing. If you guys are interested, check out my link down below. So if we take a look at my 1 year, it is up. Still 44%, so not too bad. All-time high, 44%. Started this account last year. I'm trying to grow this account to $100,000. Let's see if that can happen. If I can recover from some of these stocks here. So for the past few months now, I've been selling options and they've been working well for me. I just roll them over if the option has been breached. So Blackberry cover calls, I have 800 shares of Blackberry. So I've been selling cover calls against my shares and receiving a small premium. And you might think $16 is not a lot of money, but if you have more than 100 shares, like myself, I have 8. So I sold 8 contracts. I was able to receive $128. So I can do this every week, every month to generate extra income. Another one I have is, this is a cash secure put. So I do need to put up the collateral to trade this one, and the collateral is 100 times 5 the strike price, so I needed $500. My brokerage will put that $500 aside just in case I do get assigned, and most likely I will because the stock price is below my strike price. But I received a $50 premium, making my break-even price to $450. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let this get assigned, and we'll just sell a cover call for the following week. Next we have, this is a cover call. This is a $650 strike price. So I have 100 shares of SOS right now, which I got assigned, and I received $25. So that's going to reduce my cost basis for the 100 shares that I currently have. So if you guys have 100 shares, sell cover calls to lower your cost basis. Another one, Nano Dimension, has been being down. I sold a cover call, received $22. It's not much, but it adds up over time. Same thing with Nokia. I mean, I only received $3, but I sold 7 contracts, and Robinhood doesn't charge a commission. So everything that you receive is yours. Whereas other brokerages, they will charge 65 cents per option contract that you trade. Genius, for some reason, it's not letting me roll this thing over. I'm going to try it again to roll this over, and this is how you would roll it over. View all options. If you're using Robinhood, you want to hit the select button on the top right. We want to first buy back the option. So this is a 2 strike price, and then I'm going to choose next week's, which is April 23rd. I'm going to sell the same strike price. So we have to make sure that sell input is selected. Right now it says $3 credit, which is fine with me. I want this to expire worthless. So I'm going to go ahead and review one, and I'm going to, how many do I have? I have 2, right? I think I have 2 contracts. 2 contracts, 0.03. Let's see, swipe up to submit. Let's see if it gets filled. It's placed but hasn't got filled yet, so hopefully it does get filled. Next we have JEGX. This is a cover call that I saw. Received $8. Fine with me. SOS. This one I had to roll over. So now it expires next Friday. BNGO, same thing, had to roll it over. Sends. This one is a $250 strike price. I collected $55. Nikola has been down. This is a cover call. I received $18 for it. Now we're going to leap calls. I bought leap calls back in December on AMC. I made roughly $10,000 on 7 contracts, sold them. Now I'm just holding on to 3. It expires in 2022, so hopefully AMC will go up by then to back to $20. And we have a lot of Nokia. They're down because I got in when the stock was going up and the premiums were so high. So instead of me buying call options at the time, I should have sold options and received that premium. Because if we take a look at this one, I have 50 options. I paid $149. And right now it's worth $66. Nokia hasn't moved at all. So, and I think it'll go up if the company will buy back some shares, because there's just too many shares out there right now. Now we're getting to stocks. AMC, it did go above $10 earlier, but right now it's having a hard time trying to break and stay above $10. Hopefully we can try to stay above 10, break that $14 resistance and go to 20, but we'll see what happens. And Nikola not doing well. Vaxar, Blackberry, definitely not doing well. My average is 1302. We have Sense, Nokia, Nano Dimension as well. I don't know what's happening with these small cap stocks. They're just not doing well, but it also creates a good opportunity to buy in, average down, and just wait. If you're planning to hold these long term and you have a pretty high cost basis, you can just buy a few shares to try to bring down the cost basis, because once it starts to reverse, you will make your money quicker. Unfortunately, I don't have any funds in this account and I don't want to add money into this account, so I'll just leave it as is. Thankfully, there's shares. And then SOS, Assertio, and Luke 1. So I don't have too many call options. The only ones I'm really losing on is the Nokia call options. And thankfully, they expire in 2023. Since I have 5 options that are expiring. So these are call options I don't have to worry about because I sold it, because we can see sell, sell, sell. Those are cover calls. So the option buyers are the ones that are losing money because they paid me the premium. So that's why we want to be on the option seller side. And the reason why I say sell options instead, because it's a better way to generate income consistently. And in the stock market, we want to make money consistently. Right now, all I can do is wait for the stock to reverse, especially for small cap stocks. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me know how you're doing in the stock markets. What are you buying today? And do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. Hope to see you guys there. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.